guys, today I'm going downstairs. So right now, I'm going upstairs and I want to show you something really cool. So okay. So I'm holding on to the railing. No, I'm not. Whoops. Okay, so I want to show you something amazing. So, do you see this Hot Wheels set? This actually does something. It's amazing. So watch. See, I'm loading it up. So I push this thing back. So there's this yellow thing that you push back. Then you put the car in here. And then there's this little red button right here where you push and watch. Sometimes it will do something bad, like trip over here or something, or over here. And sometimes it zooms and it does this loop-de-loop really fast, and it zooms over somewhere over there. Okay. So this is how it works. So you push this red thing and watch. See, sometimes it does that, but sometimes it does something better. And so I'm getting another car. And then 1, 2, 3, dud. I call those a dud. And then, Faye, this is a bad timing. And now I'm going to just press this. See? It happens a lot. See? Okay. Just a little speck. Thank you, Faye. Faye, why don't you get that one? This one? Okay. This one. See? Can I have this one? I'll have this one. Okay. And then I am going to try this again so you guys can see how this actually works. 3, 2, 1. See, that's how it works. So it goes boom, boom, boom. See that one? 3, 2, 1. Dud. Oops, that one went on its own. See, that's how it works. And now I'm going to. How about this one? That one. We'll try that one next. That's how it works too. No, that's the one I have, and this one is the one I have. That one didn't work. See, Faye? Okay, so that one didn't work. Yeah, that's how they work. Bye, guys. Ooh, bye.